Welcome back to our channel. So you guys seem to really like our previous boho inspired DIYs, so we were like, we loved it too, you guys loved it too, so why not to make a part 2 of that video, as we had really nice ideas too and we loved it, you guys loved that video, so we decided to make a part 2. So if you guys haven't watched the part 1 yet, it is in the description box down below and icon right here, so yes, go watch it. And then if you guys want a part 3 of this video, then comment down below, because we love doing this DIY. So yes, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
So for this DIY, you're going to be needing a branch of a tree. This was lying around in our garden, so we decided to use this, and some nails, and you can use whatever type of nails you want, like these are a little bit smaller, and a rope or this kind of yarn. So mark out the places where you want to hammer the nails, and then hammer the nails, and what you have to do is to attach a rope or a yarn at the end of the branch. So for this next DIY, you are going to be needing some rocks. So we are taking 2 rocks, and what you are going to do is to take some paints. We are actually taking acrylic paints because they are thick and easy to apply. So now we are painting half of the rock, and our pink was a little transparent. It was not that opaque, so we had to go with 2 layers to get the good perfect color. We decided to tape half of the rock this time because it will be more accurate this way. This white was very opaque, much more than the pink one, so it just like took us 1 coat to do this. So after removing the tape, you can see how perfect the paint is, and now you're gonna go with a metallic marker. You can use the paints too, but to be honest, a golden marker will work a lot more better than a paint would. So here's the finished product, and you can see that I did some designing on the pink one and it looks so bohemian. So for this next DIY, you are going to be needing a mirror. So we found this one in our house and we were like, why not, we should recycle this one. And the next thing you are going to take is a rope. So first off, you have to use some UHU and make a border with the rope. After you're done with that, you're gonna take some glue and make some loops, as we are doing here in the video. We recommend you guys use a hot glue gun for making the loops because the UHU was like not sticking properly, and hot glue gun is way more easier than UHU. So you have to be a little more careful with hot glue gun as it is a little hot, but this method is more faster than the UHU one because it was not sticking properly and it was like taking a lot of time with UHU. So we took a piece of rope and attached it to the back side of the mirror with some hot glue gun, and it is the final product, and you can see how bohemian this looks. So this is the last and the least DIY, just kidding. This is like a painting. So what you need to do is take any inspirational like picture from Pinterest and just draw it out onto a paper. So this is like a sketchbook paper, so you can use whatever type of paper you want and draw it out. So then paint the picture out, and we are using some acrylic paints to paint the picture. You can use whatever type of paint you want, but acrylic ones are the best. So for this one, we are going like simply with our hands, not drawing anything, because the picture we took inspiration from was like that, so it doesn't need to be perfect at all. You can see how we are going, and yes.
For today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did so, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video, and our previous videos are linked in the description box down below or in the icon right here. And we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.